Absence schedule in Zoho People. So absence schedule feature in Zoho People is used to push the absent entries from the attendance module to the LOP report in the leave tracker module. So when an employee has not marked check-in and check-out for a particular day, and if there are no leave applications available, then the particular employee will be marked as absent. In order to push this absent entry to the LOP report, we need the absence scheduler. So now to give you a background on how the LOP report is generated is that the LOP report in the leave tracker module is generated based on two different types of information. Number one, the unpaid leaves taken by the employee, and number two, the absent entries available in the attendance module. The unpaid leave information is already available in the leave tracker module. However, the absent details are only available with the attendance module but not the leave tracker module. Hence, this absence schedule acts like a bridge to push the absent entries from the attendance module into the LOP report of the leave tracker module to get correct LOP data. So now let's see how to set the absence scheduler in the system. In order to do that, navigate to settings, and from settings, access the attendance module, and under automation, we have absence scheduler. So click on add scheduler, give a name, and set up the time and date when you want the schedule to run. For example, let's say the schedule has to run every day at 10 a.m. in the morning, and the date has to be set as one day before. So every day at 10 o'clock, the schedule runs and it will push the absent entries of the previous day to the LOP report. And make sure to enable the option push absent data to leave service. In addition to transferring the data to the LOP report, you can also notify your employees on email whenever they are marked as absent for a particular day. So click on the option notify through email. And when you send an email notification, you can notify the particular employee, and you can also send an email to the concerned reporting manager whenever an employee is absent. So once the configuration is set, you can also define the applicable condition. So if the absence schedule frequency is going to be different based on, for example, let's say departments or location, you can have multiple absence scheduler configured in the system based on any one of the criteria that you see in this drop-down option. Once this is done, click on Save. So adding absence schedule is important because without which you will not be able to generate the correct LOP report from the leave tracker module, and this LOP report can be used in your payroll processing. So this is about the absence scheduler feature in Zoho People.